Use a Victory Innovations electrostatic sprayer to get the most out of your chemical application following these simple directions. All Victory Innovation sprayers come with a single 16.8-volt lithium-ion battery. To charge your battery, simply snap it into the included charger. You'll notice the charger has two sets of lights on it. When oriented as shown, the lights on the left side indicate the level of charge inside the battery, while the lights on the right side indicate the amount of time remaining before the battery is fully charged. When the battery is finished charging, snap it into place on the sprayer. To remove the tank from your Victory sprayer, simply rotate the collar lock to the unlock icon and pull the ring back to release the locking mechanism. Now, you will be able to pull the unit up and off the tank. Reattach the tank by aligning the vertical rails of the sprayer with the groove along the top of the tank. Firmly press the tank into the sprayer and listen for the locking mechanism to click, indicating the tank is in place. Rotate the collar lock to the lock icon and you're ready to go. Unlike other sprayers, the Victory sprayer has a three-way adjustable nozzle. The nozzle has settings for 40, 80, and 110 microns. The easiest way to determine which setting you are currently on is to rotate the nozzle with the vertical groove into the top position. The sprayer is now set to 110 microns. Push the electrostatic charge switch to the on position, and you're ready to spray.